Meaning of hasty.
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 Hasty. The word hasty is an adjective that describes something done with excessive speed or urgency, often without proper consideration of the consequences. It can also imply impatience or recklessness in decision-making. Such behavior can lead to mistakes, poor outcomes, and even dangerous situations. People who act hastily often fail to take the time to carefully weigh their options and consider alternative courses of action. In short, being hasty is generally not advisable, as it can have negative consequences and should be avoided whenever possible.